Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Jira. This integration is incredibly useful if your team uses both platforms, as it allows you to sync tasks and issues between the two without constantly switching tabs or manually updating information. First, head over to asana.com and log into your Asana account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific project you want to link with Jira. This could be any active project where you're managing tasks that would benefit from being connected to your Jira workflow. Now look at the top right corner of your project view and click the Customize button. This button opens up a range of options that let you tailor how your project functions and what features it includes. When the customization pane appears, scroll down until you see the Apps section and click on it. This is where you'll find all the integrations available for your Asana projects. At the bottom of the Apps section, you'll see a button labeled Plus Add App. Click on that to view the full list of apps and integrations Asana offers. From this list, select Jira Cloud. Once you click on it, a pop-up will appear showing you details about the Jira Cloud app. Go ahead and click Add to Project to begin the integration process. A new pop-up window will appear with an option that says Connect to Jira Cloud. Click on that button. At this point, you may be prompted to log into your Jira Cloud account in a new window, so make sure you have your credentials handy. Enter your login details if asked. Next, you'll need to authorize Asana to access your Jira data. This step is important because it allows the two platforms to communicate and sync information seamlessly. Click Allow when prompted. You may also be asked to select the specific Jira site and project you want to connect to your Asana project. Choose the appropriate options and click Allow Access or Connect. Once you've completed the authorization, you can close that tab. Your Asana project is now fully integrated with Jira, and you'll be able to sync tasks and issues between the two platforms automatically. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.